Hello guys, welcome to your channel. Now let's go together, cook delicious Uzbeky plow. Frying chicken in hot oil. Also, you can use meat sheet. This is the best food to serve your dear guests. Fry both sides of the meat well. Salt to SP. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Well mix. So dear viewers, if you have any suggestions about my recipes, you can write to me, comment. And this food's one of the famous foods in Afghanistan. If you can't travel to test this food, no problem. You can cook it in home by the easy recipe that you ever seen. Now we take the meat out of the oil. My dear viewers, if you are new in my channel, come view of my channel at Skills Afghan Cooking, and I know you will love my cooking with delicious recipes. Time frying the sliced carrot with raisins, and focus which don't more frying the raisins and sliced carrots. Sugar for more taste. Little bit add cardamom. It's ready. Chop the onion medium. When you add in your some foods, onion can be more delicious and benefit. Sorry if little bit the chopping onion is more, but you can learn how chop the onion. Now add onion in that oil which frying the chicken. Well, mix and mix. Add sliced carrot. Chop garlic and green pepper. Chop tomatoes. You can chop tomatoes by machine or knife. When materials start boiling, add frying chicken. Boil water to cup. If need more, add 3 cups. Salt to SP. Rice spice. Black pepper. Spiced chicken. Mix, mix, mix. Take vapor 10 meters. After 10 meters, take out chicken. Add soaked rice. Pepper. Frying raisins and sliced carrots. Add chicken. Let the food brew for 20 minutes. Ready. Thanks for sticking with me until the video. Hopefully enjoy of this video. Thanks of your support with your subscribe. Take to our channel more energy and thanks of your support. Bye bye.